Good morning, I am Champavani from first MCCS. Today I would like to explain about generations of programming languages. A programming language is a computer language that establishes communication between user and computer. It contains computations performed by the computer. Generally, there are 5 generations of programmings. They are First generation machine language is a low-level programming language that is understandable by computer. And second one, in this the comments and data are expressed in the form of zeros and ones. And third one, it is also known as binary language or low-level language. And fourth one, it is mission independent language. That means programming written in one computer could not work on another computer. First generation advantages. And first one, execution is very fast. This is the first generation of advantages of programming language. And disadvantages, difficult to learn and error correction is difficult. Second generation assembly languages is a second generation language in which there are certain codes for certain instructions. And next, these codes are known as mnemonic codes or opposites. Example, ADD, CMP, MUL, etc. Third one, a statement in assembly language consists of a label and operation code and one or more operands. Examples, move AX 4, move BX, 6, add BX, BX. Fourth one, programming written in assembly language is converted into machine language using a translator program known as assembler. Advantages of second generation. Error detection and corrections is easy and it is easily to modify. Disadvantages. Mission independent programming language is mission independent language. Next, programmer should have good knowledge in hardware. And next, third generation. First one, high-level languages are just like English-type languages are English-type languages that follow certain rules and regulations called syntax and semantics. This second one, these languages are discovered during 1960s to 1970s and are designed to create user-friendly environment. Example, Basic, COBOL, Fortran, C++, Java, etc. And third one, these languages uses compiler or interpreter to convert high-level language into machine language. Example, advantages of third generations. Advantages, mission independent, it is easy to detect and correct errors. And third one, easier to write and understand. And is the only one disadvantages of third generation languages. Code may not be optimized. And next, fourth generation, very high level languages. Fourth generation languages are non-procedural languages, which is to be done rather than how to do. Second one, the example of fourth generation language is query language SQL that takes requests and provides information from database. Advantages, first one, easier to write and learn and instructions are written in English like sentences. And last one, code is easier to maintain. And last, fifth generation, present generation languages. First one, constraint and logic languages. Fifth generation language 5GL are centered on problem solving using constraints. Second one, the constraint based and logic programming languages are part of the 5th generation languages. 5GL's 5th generation languages are widely uses artificial intelligence, which makes computer think like human brains. There is no IQs for before generations. Fourth one, these languages contain visual tools and examples of 5th generation